we will be starting the new session of digital documentation lesson, that is insert and use images in document. Okay. So in this lesson we will learn how to insert the images, how to do the cropping, how to resize it, how to change the coloring, how to format the filters in LibreOffice Writer. Okay, it is very easy. I will show you step by step. Okay, then now before starting I want you to tell me the meaning of what are images. How do you define images? Anyone? What is an image? Like in visual communication, you described what is visual communication. Okay, what was visual communication? Communicating with the help of images and pictures. Okay, so in this, what are images? What is the definition of image? You know what is the definition of drawing? What is drawing? How do you define drawing? You know practical, how to do that. But how do you define that word? Drawing means what? What is the meaning of image? Drawing later we will discuss. Now tell me what is image? What are images? There are two forms of representation. Listen carefully. There are two forms of representation of data. Data means information. There are two forms of representation of data. In that, one is what? Textual representation, which we type numbers, letters, characters. Another form is what? Visual representation. Visual means what we can see and sense. Understanding? So these images are nothing but visual representation of what? Object, person, thing, or an abstract. So what is this abstract? Abstract means what? Abstract is nothing but idea, the thought, what you are thinking. That is called as abstract. Okay. So visual representation of all these things is called as an image. Will you be able to remember? Yes, image is what? Visual representation of object, person, thing, or an abstract. Understanding? Yes, this is called as an image. Now, in OpenOffice Writer, we have 4 methods to insert the image. How many methods? 4 methods we have, generally, basically. In that, first method is from file. First method to insert is from file. So, from file. From file means how? You will go to insert tab in the menu bar. In the menu bar will be there. In that file, beside that file, insert will be there. Beside insert, edit will be there. That is menu bar. In the menu bar, we have the option called as insert. Insert tab is there. In the insert tab, you have the option called as image. Image option is there. In insert tab, we have the option called as image. Just click on that option. A dialog box will come. A dialog box will come displaying all the images in your computer. Displaying all the images present or downloaded in your computer. Choose which image you want. Then at the bottom right side, you have the option called as open. Just click on open and that image will be displayed on your blank page. That is first method. Okay. This is first method. Now coming to the second method. Through scanner. Through scanning. Okay. When your computer is connected to the scanner you understand, no? It is which device? Input device. Input device. You will scan images, pictures, texts, whatever information is there, you can scan it and take the printout. If your scanner is connected to the computer, whatever data you are putting inside the scanner, that will be visible in the computer. That image also you can download and save it in the file and open it in the document. Which document? The document which you have opened, a new document. Understanding? That is second method. Third method is through gallery. In OpenOffice LibreOffice, inbuilt gallery is there. Gallery means in our phone, gallery option will be there. What is the use of gallery option in our phone? To store data, whatever images or videos related. Visual information will be stored in gallery. Similarly, in LibreOffice Writer also we have a gallery, inbuilt gallery we have. So in that inbuilt gallery, so many n number of images are there already inbuilt, no need to download. That image which you want to insert, choose that image and click on the page, blank area or whichever area you want to insert it. Then that image will be inserted. That is third method, through gallery. Okay, and next we have last method, using drawing tool. Drawing tools. Using drawing tools, what we can do? What is the meaning of drawing? Drawing some image or of a person, thing, or an idea with using some tools. Okay, if you are using computer, we will use what? Mouse and keyboard. If you are using manually, we will draw with our freehand drawing. Understanding? So that is drawing. So in drawing, we have different types of shapes, geometrical shapes we have. Okay, like what? Polygons, then we have rectangle, triangles. Okay, different types of shapes we have, and we can even draw flowcharts using drawing tool. Okay, so these all come under this session, insert and use images in document. We will learn how to group them and how to divide them, all the images together. Okay, so like this way, this all this lesson will be continued further. Okay, we have all this, we'll be learning. The outcome of the lesson will be what? You will be able to insert the image, edit the image, change the graphics filter of the image, and you will be given one topic. For example, soil pollution, water pollution, or environmental related some topic will be given. So that topic you have to download the image and insert, and you have to make it visually looking very nice. Okay, so that all effects we will be learning in this lesson. That is the outcome of this, objective of this lesson. Okay, yes. Any doubts still here? How many methods are there? 4 methods are there. First one is from file, from your computer's memory card. Then scanner. If your computer is connected to the scanner, we can scan it from that. That is second method. Third method is through gallery. Which gallery? LibreOffice inbuilt gallery. Okay. Then next we have drawing tool. Drawing tool is also what? Inbuilt. Inbuilt in where? LibreOffice Writer. Okay. If it is not visible, you have to go to View tab. Like insert tab, another tab will be there. View tab. Go to View tab. Select tools option, then in the tools option you have to choose what? Drawing tools. That will be visible at the bottom of your screen, it will come. That is called as drawing tool. Okay, yes. Further we have, next we have a practical class. This was the theory. Next everything is practical. Okay, so we will continue.